Hello everybody. Today we're going to be unboxing the magnetic quick release adapter for the Nano and the Action 6. This is a K&F concept product and comes highly reviewed on Amazon. Getting into the unboxing. Packaging feels pretty good. Doesn't feel super cheap, but doesn't feel super high quality. Just feels okay. So initially the stuff is kind of stuffed in here. It feels super tight, and for there to only be, I only ordered 2 of these. So there's actually a few extra things in here. The hell's that? Looks like they sent some extra accessories with it. QR code. There's a little pamphlet we have here. A little bit of legal talk. Okay, so let's see what extras we got. Okay. What is this for? This goes to some kind of a chest mount, I think. Not sure what this is for. Maybe this is for a helmet to mount on the chin. Not real sure, but I didn't order these. That was just extra that they sent me. They just gave me those because I only ordered these. I'm not mad. I'm certainly appreciative. Okay, K&F. Very nice build quality. So this is the same exact quality of plasticky feel that you get with like the ones that come with the camera, but it don't come with these metal mounts here. So I actually have one of the ones that came with it, and you can see these are plastic. And these feel like a machine grade aluminum. The question is, how well do they fit in here? Oh wow. Oh, that snapped in far better. Oh, what? And because they're metal, oh, why isn't DJI doing that? Because they're metal, they sync up so much easier. Are they reversible? Oh my goodness, they are. They just fit in perfectly either way. They snap straight in there. And I will say that is a point of contention sometimes with these like official Osmo ones. They typically go in just fine. I mean, are these metal? Maybe these are metal, but for some reason it feels like these snapped in there far easier. You know, I stand corrected. I thought these was plastic, but they're just black. They're just black like the rest of the body, so because the body's plastic, it almost makes you feel like these are plastic, but they aren't. Both have a nice silicone base here for grip. Wow. I would strongly suggest these. These are perfect. This right here is a high quality product, and for the 15 or 20 bucks I paid to get these, I don't have a complaint. I don't have any complaints for this. In fact, I'm grateful. They sent extra accessories that they did not have to send, and this is a nice touch. When I first got the camera, I had to order a few of these because I didn't have any. Like, I had one. So this was nice of them to send. Like, that is super sweet. So yeah, guys, if you have the DJI Osmo Action 6 or the Action 5, I would assume this would work with that just fine because I'm pretty sure they both use the same mounting system. Get this one. K&F concept. There it is. If you're looking up accessories, it's hard to overlook them on Amazon. But yeah, guys, nice short review. Great product. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, hands down. They sent extra things that was not ordered. Grateful. 10 out of 10 product. If you are looking to get more clamps, K&F concept are your guys. Thank you. Have a great one.